In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Steam Guard step by step. Now, before we begin, it's important to know that turning off Steam Guard can make your account more vulnerable, and it may also trigger a 15-day trade hold. So only do this if you really need to, and make sure you understand the risks first. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you're signed into the account you want to change. Once you're in Steam, look to the top left and click Steam, then choose Settings. In the Settings window, find the Security section. This is where Steam keeps all of the account protection options, including Steam Guard. Click on Security to open those settings. Now look for the option that says Manage Steam Guard. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the controls for your current Steam Guard protection settings. On this screen, you should see an option to turn Steam Guard off. Select Turn Steam Guard off. Steam will then ask you to confirm that you really want to disable it. This is the point where you should pause and make sure you're comfortable with the change, because once Steam Guard is disabled, your account will be less protected. If you have the Steam mobile app linked to your account, you may be asked to enter a verification code or confirm the action through email. That extra step is part of Steam's security process, so complete any verification that appears on your screen. After that, confirm your choice in the pop-up window. Once you click confirm, Steam Guard will be disabled on your account. At this point, remember the warning about the trade hold, because disabling Steam Guard can affect trading and the marketplace access for a period of time. If you plan to trade items soon, that delay can be important. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Steam Guard on Steam. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.